Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply and get a loan from NayaPay. So the first thing, you search NayaPay on your browser, then select the first website. After that, click on Personal here, then you will find Get Started. If you click on it, you will find that you can download the app from Google Play or App Store. After that, you need to talk with their support. You will find the numbers here on Contact Us. You will find like numbers for international and numbers for locals. So you need to contact these numbers and talk with them, and they will give you all the information that you need to apply for a loan, and then they will tell you if they will approve your loan request or not. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.